right. Hi, friends. Today we are going to read the book The Bear Snores On. The Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. The cold wind howls and the night sound growls, but the bear snores on. The cold pip-pop in the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." Mouse snips, sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. "I've bought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm," twitters Wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. A golfer and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And Bear wakes up. Bear growls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stumps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. You snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimps and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbles on. Bear gulps and bear gobbles and he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. I hope you guys like this one. Till next time.